Welcome. Today's Tech Talk is about effective technologies upgrading to BMC Remedy version 8 or 9. My name is Scott Buntin and I'll be presenting today's Tech Talk. Upgrades to Remedy AR system and applications happens for many different reasons. Application customization, scope creep on configurations can get out of hand very quickly, and therefore render your system's path to maintainability on an extremely narrow ledge. So going out of the box and resetting your system is one solution to go forward. Moving to the cloud, getting the latest versions that are hosted is another popular avenue. For large multi-tenant service providers get push from their customers to offer more current solutions, and applications often persuade these GOSI providers to upgrade. So whether it is performance or version enhancement, the latest technology has more features and improvements to do more with less. And lastly, BMC compliance is another reason customers seek to upgrade. So understanding your company's path and upgrade requirements can get overwhelming. So let's take a look at some of these questions that may be asking. So, we know upgrading is happening in the near future. What is next? Where do you start? What are the best practices? There's an overwhelming amount of information on upgrading, and which is right for you. Effective Technologies has worked at these challenging questions for many years to help our customers successfully upgrade year after year. Effective Technologies' clear path to success has time-proven best practices. We leveraged version 9 intuitive quick start guide along with over 30 years of product knowledge. If moving data from system to system is a factor, Effective Technologies' award-winning ETL tool cuts that effort time in half. And with ET's knowledge expert, you can take ease as we help you guide through a successful upgrade. So let's take a look at the high-level steps involved. There are two basic paths to upgrading to BMC Remedy. First path happens when upgrading prior to version 7604 where overlays are not yet present. This path will require the upgrade to install overlays to preserve those customizations. Then we will upgrade to version 8 or later. The second path is one less step to upgrade directly to 8.1. Overlays are already installed with 7604, and just remember to please view the BMC Remedy compatibility matrix for specifics in the versioning. Okay, so after figuring out our upgrade path, next we'll decide on the scope. The upgrade scope depends on two factors. The BMC AR system and Atrium Core is one factor. Second is the ITSM applications. A complete suite upgrade means upgrading the AR system and Atrium Core along with the ITSM applications. Or you can just upgrade the platform, which just includes the AR system and Atrium Core. The upgrade scope will depend on your path, any integrations with other products, and your business requirements. The upgrade path prior to version 7604 will require a complete suite upgrade. An upgrade path from 7604 or later allows you to upgrade the platform only, which will give value from the platform enhancements and maybe later upgrade the applications. If you are choosing to have a mixed application versions, please refer to the BMC compatibility matrix. So we have our upgrade path and scope decided. Next is a methodology. You can upgrade in parallel, which is required if your path is from 7604 or earlier, because a staging server is needed to install the overlays. Other reasons for a parallel upgrade is you'd like to fine-tune your system and you just need more time for the user acceptance testing. Effective Technologies recommends a parallel upgrade if you have a small outage window or you're going live with new hardware. The parallel upgrade will require a new server to run side by side with the existing server. On the other hand, an in-place upgrade is possible if your path is from 7604 or later and have carefully planned out all of your customizations. Upgrading the platform only can be done with the in-place methodology. The in-place upgrade requires the upgrade to happen on the existing server and may require the customer to run a pretty lengthy installation and upgrade scripts. For example, I've heard that when we did the AR seem to be upgrade at Kaiser, the install and upgrade would only take a few hours to run. And in my humble opinion, if we have a short outage requirement from the business, the customer should go with the parallel upgrade. When performing the upgrade, you must take the system, database, utilities, and compatibility matrix into account. The system requirements consist of server software and hardware. This does include the existing server and the target server for parallel upgrades. We also recommend to always view the BMC compatibility matrix to avoid any issues with versioning, which includes the server software, database, AR system, and the applications. Utility requirements can extend past the BMC tools, such as Effective Technologies Transport and the Alderstone CMT. If upgrading prior to 7604, you will need the BPCU to BMC utility, and that creates overlays prior to upgrading to 8 or 9. Effective Technologies leverages the power of these two utilities. Now, to save time and effort during an upgrade, these two ETL tools will be required. These two utilities are best in class against any other for BMC Remedy data migrations and onboarding. The Alderstone CMT is highly efficient in its process to move all of your AR application data, configuration data from source to target. This is the fastest tool on the market. The ET transport application allows you to manage and maintain your ITSM configuration data, such as people profiles, assignments, approvals, support groups, even CMDB, fractionations, and CI relationships building for all of your service models. Both tools are the difference in upgrading your current system to Remedy 9. Call us today for a free demo and you can see the difference. Thank you for your interest in Effective Technologies. Please call us today for a health check on your CMDB, or if you need experts to assist you in your next upgrade. We will be happy to hear from you.